Okay guys, so I had to restart this project because I screwed up. I originally put the whole thing on the bike, just the side plate, but now I'm starting over and I thought it would be better just to assemble it first. So what I've done here is I've assembled the bracket that goes on the right hand side, and I put on the seat carrier, which is what I'm pointing to, that's right in the middle, and then you have the seat, the back seat for the passenger that goes in the end. So the seat carrier is kind of sandwiched in between the bracket and the passenger's back seat pad. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm tightening it up on one side now, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. In the meantime, I thought that this product is really good, is really great. I was excited to get it, and the installation is pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I love that there is a slots everywhere, just to make sure that you have that enough clearance. And what I also love about it is that it came with all the bolts that you need. And so the bolt that was on the side of the bike has to be replaced with the new bolt that they came with. You can see a bit of struggles here, just trying to make sure everything fits together, and I'm trying to hold it at the same time. But you know, I managed to get it in. And so once you get the bolts in, once you get everything done, just tighten it up with the Allen key and using the 10mm wrench. Yeah, I think that's basically much it. I had to do a voiceover over this because the background noise was just too much. There it is, there's the wrench, and I'm just about to tighten everything up. And everything is pretty much installed. One thing I found out too is that it's actually better to assemble it beforehand before we put it onto the motorcycle, because now you see I have a lot of space to work with. When I put this on the bike, when it was already on the bike, and I tried to check the tightness of the bolt, and I found out that I didn't have a lot of space. So in this case, in this way, you can always, you know, there's a lot of room to play with. But once you put it on the bike, the back side of the bike, you're kind of restricted with there's limitations on what you can do. But yeah, this is one way of doing it. Back seat installation, rack carrier is complete. That's what it looks like. And I thought that the packaging is excellent. There was a lot of wrappers, making sure that there's no scratches on the steel. Pretty good. Pretty soft for this back seat right here. And yeah, this kind of gave me a hard time, like trying to figure out which one goes where. So the back seat carrier is kind of sandwiched in the middle, you can see there. And yeah, it was a pretty easy installation. I really think that you should assemble it prior to putting it on your bike, or you could assemble this first, but it's really up to you guys. But there it is. I thought this is really great, guys. I'm really happy with this, happy with the seller as well. And yeah, I think this is nice. It's really nice. I like it. I like the design too. You know. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below, hit that like button if you like this video, and consider subscribing for more Honda Rebel modification. As you can see, there it is, the whole beauty. My garage is a mess, but you're here to look at the bike. Excellent.